Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to run few commands which are really going to help you to save you a lot of time while you're moving your mouse from here and then you're navigating to that particular things. Now let me show you a few commands. I will be doing this practically, so that will be easier for you to understand. Now first of all, you need to open a run window through window R. Now you can type here control and you will see the control panel gets open on your screen. Next, let's move to next command, that is net space connections. Okay, make sure there is a space after net. Now click OK. You will see a black window comes up and it goes back. So this command open a net connections. Now if you type Chrome, this will open your Chrome directly instead of clicking on the Chrome logo and then you go to Chrome. So you can see here. Let's move to the next window. Now here appwiz.cpl. This will open the programs and features directly. Instead of going to control panel, then you select the program and features and then you get into this window. So directly you can open it from the run command. Now the next command helps you to open the powercfg.cpl. From here you can create plan, you can choose plan, you can set system password wake, choose what the power buttons can do. You can do personalization, Windows Mobility Center, user account. This is very useful command. Now the next command gonna help you to set your date. In case you need not to go here and then click on this, you just need to type timedate.cpl. Now the next command is wscui.cpl. This will open your Windows Action Center, wherein you can see the options, changing Action Center settings, user account. You can view performance information, you can view archive messages. So these are very easy to learn and these commands will save a lot of time. And let's go to next command, that is iexplore. So generally people, what they do, they go to Internet Explorer, double click on that, but you can open it from the run command. Just type in iexplore, hit enter, and your Internet Explorer get open. See how fast it's gonna be. Now let's move to the next command, which is because these days there are a lot of browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge. Now if you want to open a Firefox, you can simply type Firefox instead of going to that logo and double click on that, and this will gives you a website which is Firefox. See, it's working. I'm not using any of the mouse. Now I'm closing this. Here we go. Now the next command is regedit. This is gonna opens the registry, wherein you will see all the details. Here I can show you. You can see hives. So this is the heart of your computer. Don't mess with this until and unless you are extraordinarily good. Okay. Now the next command is msconfig. This will open a system configuration window, wherein you can choose the startup services that you would like to enable or disable. You can go to services that you would like to enable or disable, or you can choose whether you want to do a safe mode with networking. So this is a shortcut command. Now let's open msinfo32. This will gives you a overall information of your computer. You can see hardware resources, components, software environment. You can see here your system configuration. Everything is mentioned. Let's say anybody asks you what's your system configuration, so you can open this msinfo32 and you can know about your system and give them appropriate detail to that person. Now this Oh, I'm sorry, that's okay. Now the next command is task manager, TSKMGR. I'm sorry, that's gonna be, I believe, yeah, it's spelling mistake. It's task manager. I'll just correct it. Hold on. It's gonna be task. Okay, here we go. Alright, now you can see it's corrected. Now this will open your task manager. Let's say you got any pop-up or any virus and you're not able to shut down your computer or the programs which are running, so you can go to this task manager by typing on run command, and you can select the task that you would like to close, then click on end close, and you're good to go. You need not to pay anything to anyone. Now let's go to next command, which is shutdown. I'm not able to show you this command because if I run this command on my computer, it suddenly go ahead and shut down my computer, so we lose everything. Okay, now let's go to next slide, wherein you can type cmd. Okay, now you will see this black window. Okay, here you can check your IP addresses by typing ipconfig, and you will see the IP address here. Anyhow, okay, now here you can see the next command is devmgmt.msc. Hit enter. This will open your device manager. All the devices which are connected with your computer, you will see all the devices here. So the next command gives you the notepad. See, the notepad opens. It's very easy. It's time saving as well. Now MS Paint window opens. Now if you want to clean your system, you need not to go to accessories or anywhere. You just need to type clean mgr. This will give you a cleanup drive section. Click on OK. The cleanup starts. Now magnifying. Okay, I'm not going to open this because this will make my screen much bigger, and then I need to start from scratch. Let's start with DX. Let's say you play a lot of games, high-end games, and you're not aware which card do you have. Let's say the gaming card. So you can get information from here, and you can go to the vendor site, and if that card needs update, you can directly go ahead and check for the update from here. You can see here, right? Now it's running the check. Hold on. Here you can see, as such I have no gaming card right now, but yes, it's inbuilt drivers which are Intel RHD graphics 4000. You can check this information from this. Now SNDVOL, this open a sound device. You can go to you can check the sound devices from here. WinVer, quickly you would like to know your system, what system you have. You can type Windows WinVer and you'll see the version. Now this MTR is a Windows inbuilt malicious software removal tool, which most of the people, they might not aware about it. This is a free tool through which you can run a scan on your computer, and it is very good. So okay, now let's move to, okay, if you want to open Excel, see, it's opening Excel. You need not to go to Microsoft Office and then open it. The same way you can open the Windows Media Player. It's not configured on my computer, so that's why. Now it's configured now, and you will see it's going to be open, right? Now these are very good commands that saves a lot of time. Okay, now this command, ipconfig command, this actually runs in CMD under this window. So let's say your internet is not working. As I told you, you can check your connection configuration by typing ipconfig. This will give you all the information. This will give you DNS cache contents. Now these are something which is related to the networking. So if you are good in networking, you can follow these commands. And this tutorial, if it's useful, please subscribe and give your comments. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Take care.